Hey class, let's get ready for some sight word practice. Today's word, sounds. Go ahead and say it loud. Sounds, sounds. Let's say it quiet. Sounds, sounds. Go ahead and say it in your head. What's the missing letter? Say it before I do. S. What's the missing letter? Say it before I do. O. What's the missing letter? U. What's the missing letter? N. What's the missing letter? D. What's the missing letter? S. Great job. Let's say the word again together. Sounds. Sounds. Let's use it in a sentence. The fireworks gave off very loud and powerful sounds. Great job!